Hi there and welcome back to Live Nourished Today. The holidays are here, and what better way to celebrate than by adding some festive, nutritious fruits to your table. Not only are fruits delicious, but they also carry historical significance in holiday traditions. Let's explore which fruits you should feature this season and their fascinating history. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button for more. Thanks! Did you know that fruits have been part of holiday traditions for centuries? In the 19th century, oranges were a prized Christmas gift, symbolizing wealth and prosperity. Pomegranates, with their rich color and abundance of seeds, have been linked to fertility and life in ancient celebrations. Cranberries, native to North America, became a holiday staple thanks to their use by indigenous peoples and early settlers. These fruits aren't just beautiful, they're brimming with history and holiday cheer. So, what fruits should you include this season? Here are our top picks. Oranges, perfect for snacking or garnishing festive drinks. Cranberries, a must-have for sauces and desserts. Pomegranates, great for salads or as a garnish for savory dishes. Apples, ideal for pies, crisps, or a warm cider. And lastly, pears, delicious baked or paired with cheese for a holiday charcuterie board. These fruits are not just tasty but also packed with vitamins and antioxidants to keep you healthy through the festivities. Now that you've learned about these festive fruits, let's test your knowledge with a fun quiz. Stay tuned until the end for the answers. What fruit was considered a luxury Christmas gift in the 19th century? A. Apple or B. Orange? The answer is B. Orange. What fruit is associated with fertility and life in ancient celebrations? A. Pomegranate or B. Cranberry? The correct answer is A. Pomegranate. Cranberries were first used in holiday meals by which group? A. Early settlers or B. Ancient Greeks? Before we get the answer, don't forget to check out our Christmas coloring book on Etsy. Perfect for stocking stuffers for all. Cranberries were first used in holiday meals by early settlers. Which fruit is commonly used in wassail, a traditional holiday drink? A. Pear or B. Apple? The right answer is B. Apple. Which fruit's vibrant seeds make it popular for holiday salads? A. Orange or B. Pomegranate? Keep up the good work. The right answer is B. Pomegranate. What fruit was often hung on Christmas trees in the Victorian era? A. Apple or B. Cranberry? The right answer is A. Apple. Which North American fruit became a Thanksgiving and Christmas staple? A. Cranberry or B. Pear? A. Cranberry. Did you get that one? Don't forget to share your score in the comments below. In ancient Greece, which fruit was linked to the goddess Persephone? A. Pomegranate or B. Apple? The right answer is A. Pomegranate. Which fruit is often paired with cheese on holiday charcuterie boards? A. Orange or B. Pear? The answer is B. Pear. What fruit's juice is used to make a popular holiday sauce? A. Cranberry or B. Pomegranate? The answer is A. Cranberry. How did you do on the quiz? Let us know in the comments. And remember, the holidays are about celebrating with loved ones and nourishing your body with festive, healthy foods. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and recipes from Live Nourished Today. See you next time and happy holidays!